Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we're gonna set up MobX State Tree in MobX because it's a dependency of MobX State Tree because it's built on top of it. First, we're gonna use yarn to install our dependencies. Dependencies install, now we see that we have MobX State Tree 5.1.6 and MobX 6.6.1, which both of them are the latest. We are importing types from the MobX State Tree package. After it, we are gonna define our model shape. The model function takes two arguments. The first one being the debugging of the store. And the second one is going to be an object which defines the shape of the store. We have name, which is a type string. We have last name, which is also a type string. And we have age, which is a type number. Now we need to instantiate this store. To instantiate this store, we use the .create method from the model that we have just created. We need to pass an object with the default values that this instance is gonna take at initialization time. Now we're gonna take a look at how this instance looks. We have an object with various properties, which are getters and setters, because MobX State Tree uses proxies to prevent you from manipulating the state directly. We also have a name, last name, and an age. We can see that we can retrieve values easily just by accessing it as it was a plain object. So as you can see, quite simple and straightforward, little boilerplate, and ready for the next lesson. See you in the next video.